Welcome to Ticklipper channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to keep Microsoft Teams active. Now, at first, what you have to do is just go to your search and in search for Microsoft Teams or just type Teams. In the best matches, you'll find Microsoft Teams. Just open it from here. And after you have opened it, on the left-hand menu, you'll find Chat, Meet, People, Copilot, Communities, Calendar, Activity. You need to go inside Meet. Now, the basic idea is that you will create a meeting and join that, and this will show your status as active. So just go here and click on create a meeting link. Then just set whatever title you want and click on create and copy link. Then just give it some time. A meeting link will appear over here. Then just click on join. Then just make sure your settings are all right and click on join. Just give it some time. And after that, on Microsoft Teams, you'll see that your status has been changed to in a call. Then just go to this status and click on available. Now till the time you're in the meeting, your status will be available. And basically that is how to keep Microsoft Teams active. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.